I apologize for the lack of sound at the beginning of the video. As soon as the YouTube video starts playing, the sound for the recording comes on.
What shape you're looking at by counting all the sides. A triangle has three sides. A piece is like a yield sign in the front of a room would be examples of a triangle as you can plainly see. To read examples of a triangle as you can plainly see. Shapes, tall and short, skinny and wide. You can tell what shape you're looking at by counting all the sides. A square has four equal sides. A pizza box around. Examples of a square, as you can plainly see. A window, a CD case, and cracks. As you can plainly see, shapes, tall and short, skinny and wide. You can tell what shape you're looking at by counting all the sides. A rectangle has four sides, two short and two long. A door frame, a diamond, and a here are the 2D shapes that I know.
We're going to turn around. Can you guys get back into your spots? Great job. Okay, so now what did the song say? You can tell what shape you're looking at by the number of its sides. Can everybody say that? The number sides. Okay, so what shape is this? We've talked about this before. Square. And how many sides does it have? Four. Wonderful. Okay, so we know this shape too. What is it? Triangle. Yeah. Can we all say triangle together? Triangle. Okay, and how many sides does it have? Three. Wonderful. Okay, now this is on our calendar. All right, so let's all say this together so all of our friends can get it. Ready?
Hexagon.
And how many sides does it have? Six. Can we hold up that many fingers?
I can do it like this.
Okay, that's another way to do it. Great job, Marianne. Okay, now, okay, boys and girls, so we also talked about this shape. It's a little, let's think about it for just a second. Keep your thought in your head. So we talked about it. It also has four sides. Let's think about it.
It's a rhombus.
Rhombus, yes. So it's not a square, is it?
No.
Does it look like a square? No, but it
looks like a diamond too. It looks like a diamond.
like a diamond.
It's a rhombus. It's a rhombus.
Yes, okay, so this is not a square, it's a rhombus. Great job, guys. I'm really proud of you for knowing that.
Like this, and you like the S of a cannon.
It kind of does, you're right. So let's all say this together. Rhombus.
Rhombus.
Rhombus, great job. All right, this is our last shape. And so think about it in your head for a minute. It also has four sides, right? But is this a square?
Trapezoid.
It's a trapezoid, you're right. It's not a square.
It's not a triangle.
It has four sides though, right?
It's not a rhombus.
So let's say this all together.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Okay, so we have our 5 shapes. Now, what did we do yesterday in class? Hold up. Who's somebody who hasn't talked yet? Justiny, or I'm sorry. What did we do? Jocelyn, what did we do in class yesterday?
We made a design.
You made a design.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, me too. I made a design.
We made stuff with
Yes. And
So
so
we had a flag.
yes, great job. Okay, so did we build towers or did we build out? Out on our desk. Okay. So today we're gonna practice building out. And so what we can do we remember how we can line up our sides like this?
I'll make a motorcycle.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, an elephant.
Yes. Okay, so let's listen. Today we're going to make different patterns, but there can't be any white spaces, okay? So what are we not going to have? White spaces. Okay, so we're
What's
gonna
a white space?
a white space would be something like this. So here, can everybody see this? Is there spaces? Are the sides lined up? No. Are the sides lined up here?
Yes.
What about like this? Are the sides lined up?
No.
Are they lined up like
Yes.
Okay, so great question. We want it to look like this. This would be white space, and we don't want any of that. So we're about to go back to our desks, and we're about to practice this. Yay! Okay, so this time I think I'll let the boys go first. Boys, you can go first.
No.
Ladies first? That was very polite, guys. Okay, ladies first. You can go first. I'll go back to your seat.
Like when a boy is holding the door, they always like,
Yes, that's very polite. Okay, and all ladies go, guys. You can go down.
At this point, the students went back to their desks and began working on the project. I gave further instruction, and they were all instructed to fill in the outline with no white spaces. These are examples of students' work. After they filled it in one time, they did it again, and they had to do it in a different pattern. From there, we discussed how there are many different ways that we can create these shapes and that there is no one right answer. There are lots of different answers to the problem, and this lesson will lead into us talking about how shapes are comprised of other shapes.